Dear students, orbitals are the region around the nucleus where there is maximum probability of finding the electron. The main question is, how can we obtain this region? Dear students, we know that electrons have dual nature. The orbital wave function, that is psi of electron, is simply a mathematical function to determine the location of the electron. But the square of this wave function, that is mod of psi square, gives probability density of electron at the specified point and hence specify the region where there are high chances of finding the electron. Here is a graph of square of probability density as a function of distance r, that is psi square of r for 1s and 2s orbitals. You can notice that for 1s orbital, the probability density function is maximum at the nucleus and decreases sharply with increase in distance. In contrast to this, for 2s orbital, the probability density function decreases sharply to 0 and it then again starts increasing. At some distance, it reaches to maxima, but with further increase in distance, the probability density function approaches to 0 again. The region in this space where probability density function reaches to 0 value are called nodes. In this way, 1s orbital does not have nodes, but 2s orbital have one node. In general, for any given ns orbital, there are n-1 nodes. This suggests that with increase in principal quantum number, the number of nodes also increases. The probability density variations can be represented with the help of charge cloud diagrams, where the density of dots represent the probability density of electron in that region. The shape of orbitals can be drawn quite accurately by boundary surface diagrams, in which a boundary surface or a contour surface is drawn in the space for the orbital on which the probability density function is constant. Dear students, from next video, we will understand the shape of orbitals with the help of boundary surface diagrams.